You place that back on there like so. G'day and welcome to another messed up episode of Snout's Kitchen with me, Snout the Pig. So, as this is around the world in Eattie ways, this week we're doing American. Yeah, and what do Americans eat a lot of? Yeah, a lot of things. But one of their popular varieties there are McDonald's. But we're not going to do a McDonald's cheeseburger. No, we're going to do a cheeseburger. So, for this you're going to need a plate, a microwave there, and a rustlers. So, what you do here first is this. First you get your burger, then you peel it all up and that. And then what you do next is you take it out of the packaging and you place it there, and then you get the cheese because it's a cheeseburger. Yeah. Oh, look at that. And then you put it on top of the meat. And then you place that back on there like so. That's what it should look like. Now for the next bit, the microwave. So the next thing you do is you put it in the microwave. Yeah. At least 1 minute 15 seconds. So let's turn the dial. Everyone's microwave is different, so you'll have to sort something out there. Now we wait for about 1 minute 15 seconds. And then it should look something like this. Delicious. But make sure you leave it for at least 30 seconds to cool down, because it's a very hot burger at the minute and you could burn your hands. So yes, that is how you do an American cheeseburger. So, if you want, you can even add sauces to it. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this week's episode. Be sure to leave a comment down below on what you think of cheeseburgers. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share with your mates, and also don't forget to subscribe to Random TV if you haven't already. What else do I need to tell you to do? Oh yeah, all of Random Ross's social media links are down below in the description. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And until next time, it's goodbye from me, Snout. Whee!